Welcome to Amit Thinks YouTube channel. In this video course, learn about Krutrim and its concepts. Krutrim is an AI chatbot developed by Ola. It is designed to understand and interact with multiple data types such as text, images, audio and video. Krutrim is India's own AI. It launched in December 2023 and has now become India's first AI unicorn. Krutrim is trained on over 2 million tokens. It generates text with a native sense of Indian cultural sensibilities and relevance, understands about 20 Indian languages and can generate content in 10 of these. That is, it can generate responses in English, Hindi and 8 other Indian languages. Switching between languages is also easy. With Krutrim, write professional emails, blogs and articles in seconds. Easily find jobs and create resumes and cover letters with the click of a button. Krutrim can also teach you coding, plan your vacation, write a meal plan and be your everyday AI assistant. It comes in two versions, Krutrim Base and Krutrim Pro. In this course, we have covered the free version of Krutrim with detailed examples and prompts. The following lessons are covered in this course. Let's start with the first lesson. In this lesson, we will learn about India's own AI Krutrim. We will also see its features and understand what is LLM. Let's start. So Krutrim is an AI chatbot developed by Ola. Consider it as India's own chatbot that can understand and interact with multiple data types like your images, audio, video and text. It was launched in December 2023 and now Krutrim has become India's first AI unicorn. It is trained over 2 million tokens and can understand and interact with more than 20 Indian languages. Okay. It will generate text considering the actual native sense of Indian culture. It can generate content in 10 languages including English, Hindi and 8 other Indian languages. With that, you can also switch between languages. Let us see some features. It is based on a multilingual large language model. That means more than one language is supported. And what are LLMs? We will discuss later. It will help you to boost your productivity. Okay, you can easily understand any concept with a chat like experience. Just type your question, that is called a prompt, and get answers within seconds. It is multimodal. I told you, you can get results in text. You can work on text, images, audio and video. Now let us see what are LLMs. LLMs are basically large language models that you can consider as an engine that powers Krutrim. It actually enables Krutrim to create and craft naturally phrased recommendations. Whenever you type anything, whenever you'll ask any question, you will get a recommendation from Krutrim, just like a chatbot. LLMs basically represent a class of AI models that are basically specializing in understanding your text, your prompt and generating human-like text that is an answer. Krutrim basically works around making you more productive and generate content in different languages. Okay, it is also considered as a backbone of Krutrim and it is the first LLM based on Indian languages. Now let us see some more features of Krutrim. You can easily create images like logos and banners, upload any image, scan the image and know about it. You can directly ask, what do you think about this image? Easily work, search and scan PDF documents, list chapters and headings, get a summary of the PDF document within seconds. Write professional emails, set the length of the email, the tone of the email, and work the same for blogs and articles. You can also mention how many words you want for your blog or article. With that, easily find jobs, create resumes, create a cover letter from that resume within seconds on the click of a button. Krutrim is also useful for coding. You can easily ask any concept, any syntax. If you are facing any error in your code, you can directly paste the code there and get to know what is the error and also get a fix with the output. Write advertisements easily, product timeline launch, some key takeaways for a meeting. With that, you can also plan your vacation, write a meal plan or a workout plan with the Krutrim, and also get gift ideas like some help related to shopping. You can easily ask Krutrim. So guys, in this video we saw what is Krutrim, its introduction and features. We also saw what are LLMs and some great features of Krutrim. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will learn about the versions of Krutrim, that is the free and paid versions. We will also see the difference. Let's see. So we have two versions of Krutrim, base as well as pro. The base version is free, paid version is the pro version. To access the base version, you need to only create a free account. For the pro version, you need to pay a monthly subscription. Well, since the base version is the free version, it is having limited features, whereas the pro version is having all the features. It is also having multimodal capabilities like generating text, images, video and audio. The base version provides a lightweight solution, whereas for complex problems you can use the Krutrim Pro version because it is designed for advanced problem solving. If you are having a device with limited resources, then the base version is for you because it will provide a lightweight solution. Whereas if you are having devices with the maximum resources, that is for complex task, then you can use Krutrim Pro. Guys, right now we have focused on the base version, that is the free version of Krutrim. So guys, in this video we saw how we can differentiate between the free and paid versions of Krutrim. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will learn how to sign in Krutrim for the first time. Let's see. So you can directly go to the following website to access the Ola Krutrim for the first time. We will go here and log in. Let's see. Go to any web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Type chat.olakrutrim.com and press enter. Now here it is. To sign in, directly go to sign up/login. After sign in, you will be able to save your chats. Click here. You can sign in with your phone number or continue with your Google account. I'll continue with my Google account. Click on your Google account. Continue. Here it is asking you to select your default language. I'll go for English and I'll click done. Click I agree. So guys, we have logged in for the first time. Here you can see. Okay. I'll click on my account. If you want to switch your language, you can click here. You can go for the Hindi language also. But I'll keep English. So here is the layout. You can type anything here and ask. You can collapse it, or you can again expand. Click on new chat to begin with the new chat. So guys, we saw how we can log in to Krutrim for the first time. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to write our first prompt on Krutrim. We will also understand what is a prompt, what is prompt engineering, and who are prompt engineers. We will also see why the role of prompt engineers are so popular these days. Let's see. So what is a prompt? A prompt is basically the input that a user gives to the AI model. The user will give the input, and the AI model will understand and give us an output in the form of responses. Okay, so basically a prompt is something that describes the task that an AI should perform. Okay, you can also consider it as a query or a chat or the input typed by a user. So what is prompt engineering? It basically includes creating and crafting specific instructions that an AI model can understand so that a relevant response is generated in real time. Okay, so prompt engineering includes writing prompts so that our AI model can understand it and give the result. What do prompt engineers do? They basically write prompts. You can consider a prompt engineer as an expert in creating these text prompts. Okay, so prompt engineers basically guide the AI model to generate desired outputs. If the prompt engineers won't write correct prompts, then the results can be misleading. Okay, they need to write a prompt with detailed instructions so that the AI model can understand and generate relevant output in real time. Okay, so guys, now let us see how to write our first prompt on Krutrim. Let's see. So I hope you remember we already logged in. Now to type a prompt, you need to mention your prompt here, your question here. Okay, if you want a new chat, you can click here. Let me type my first prompt. Hi, how are you? Okay, so here it is. It has replied. If you liked the response, click here. If you did not like it, click here to inform the Krutrim AI. You can also regenerate the response from here. That means get another response. If you want, you can copy the response from here. Okay. So guys, we saw how we can easily write our first prompt on Krutrim. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to write prompts and understand that Krutrim can access the current data or not. So let's see some prompts. So to begin with, I'll type, how is the weather today in Delhi, India? Let's see. Okay, so here it is. It is connected to the internet. Now let us type another prompt. What is the score of today's IPL match? So IPL is going on. So let's see whether it is connected or not. Okay, it's correct. It is giving the exact result. It's 4:54 right now and it has given the exact result. So it is connected to the internet. So guys, we saw whether Krutrim free version is connected to the internet or not. And Is it having access to the current data? Yes, it is showing us the exact results. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn about any topic using Krutrim. So if you want to gain knowledge about any specific topic, then you can directly ask Krutrim. Let's see how. So here is our Krutrim. We already logged in and clicked on new chat. Now we will ask something. Let's say what is bacteria? So here are some details. Okay, you can learn about the bacteria. Copy it from here. If you want to regenerate, click here. If you liked the response, click here. And if you did not like it, click here. So these two responses would be considered as a review and would be sent to Krutrim AI. Now let us see another prompt. Now we will get some information about a group, a company, let's say. What is the history of Mahindra Group? So here it is. In this way, guys, we were able to get some information regarding an automobile giant, an Indian company, that is Mahindra and Mahindra. You can copy it from here. In this way, guys, we can get knowledge about any topic with Krutrim. We can also generate information about a company, about a group, its details, and other information. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to write professional emails with Krutrim. So let's see. So guys, here is our Krutrim. We clicked on new chat. Now let us learn how to write an email. Write an email to my boss for 5 days leave. Let's see what is the response. So here is the email. Perfect. You can add your boss name. Subject is visible. And you can also add the start date and end date. And your name, job title, company name, and contact information also. You can copy the email from here. Now we will see another example in which we will send a gentle reminder email. Okay, generate a gentle reminder email to remind a client. You can add the client name here. Let's say I'll mention Studiopedia about an upcoming meeting scheduled for. Here and you can add the date and time. Let's say May 25th, 2024. You can also add the purpose. Let's say I'll mention Python course launch. Okay. And you can also mention the last line to come prepared for the meeting. Submit. So here is the mail. Subject line is visible. And the complete email is also visible. You can also mention keep it short if you think this is long. Okay. You can add your details here. Okay, here is the subject. And here is the complete response. You can copy it from here. So guys, we saw how we can write professional emails with the Krutrim. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how we can write a blog post with Krutrim. So let's see some examples. So here is our Krutrim. Let us write a blog post. So let us type, create a blog post about AI is a threat or a blessing. We will also mention the number of words as well as sections. Write over 500 words. It should have a minimum of 3 sections. Let's see. So here it is. It is also showing the sections. I have mentioned 3 sections. So let's see. Here is the third section. Okay, and it has also shown the conclusion. Okay, so we wrote a blog post using Krutrim. You can copy it from here. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to write articles with Krutrim. We will write an article. We will also use storytelling, and we will also set the number of words. Let's see. So here's our Krutrim. We clicked on new chat. So here I'm mentioning generate a detailed article on AI is a boon or a bane. Means blessing or a threat. After that, I've also written use storytelling. Let's see. Here it is, introduction. It is also explaining the boon as well as an example of storytelling. So generally articles are considered more detailed and lengthy in comparison with blog post. So this is what it is showing us. Conclusion also. Okay, you can copy it from here. So here it is. Now we will learn about a website. Let's say generate a detailed article content on the website Amazon. Okay, write more than 1000 words. Submit. So it is showing us about the website Amazon introduction. So guys, in this way we can easily write articles. Okay, we can also mention here use storytelling, and after that write it in 1000 words. You can also write it in more than 1000 words. It's up to you. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will learn how to create a cover letter with Krutrim. So you can easily generate a cover letter by just writing a prompt. Let's see. So here is a Krutrim. We already logged in and we clicked on new chat. Now let us write a prompt to create a cover letter for a software engineer position. Create a cover letter for software engineer position. Submit. Here it is, it has created with the subject also. Okay, herein you can mention the name of the company you are applying to here, and your contact number also. Here your full name and contact information would be added. Also your email ID would get added here. You can copy it from here and edit. Regenerate the response. If you liked it, click here. If you did not like the response, click here. So these responses would go to the Krutrim AI as a review. Okay, here was the subject. Okay, so in this way guys, you can easily generate a cover letter with Krutrim. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how we can use Krutrim for the HR department. So you can generate interview questions, write welcome messages and emails for, let's say, a new joinee easily with Krutrim. Let's see. So here's our Krutrim. We clicked on new chat. Now let us generate some interview questions. Okay, we are hiring a senior software engineer. Can you suggest some screening questions to assess their programming skills? Let's see. Here it is, some examples of programming skills. Here it is, some screening questions for senior software engineer profile. You can copy it from here. Now let us see how to draft a welcome message for a new joinee. We have a new employee joining next week as a senior software engineer. We can also mention the name, but let's say I'll mention, can you help draft a welcome message for their onboarding? Let's see. Here it is, subject welcome to our team. And here is the welcome message. Here will be your name, company name and position title. You can copy it from here. So guys, we saw how we can get some interview questions using Krutrim and a welcome message draft also. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how we can use Krutrim for coding. You can easily generate codes as well as database queries. You can also get explanations about any concept. With that, you can fix your codes, get best practices also. Let's see how. So here is a Krutrim. We already logged in. Let us generate a query. Write an SQL query to get the maximum marks from a students table. Let's see. So here it is with the explanation. You can copy the query from here and the complete text also from here. Okay. Now let us see the second example. Let us write a Python code. Write a Python code for hello world. So just for explaining the concept, here it is, a simple example, hello world, because we wanted a code for hello world. Okay. Now let us implement binary search in Python. Submit. Here it is. Okay, explanation also. Here is the example for binary search. Now let us fix a code. Okay, now let's say we have written the following. How do I fix the following Java code? Here is a code, basic Java example. Okay, what we did, this code was like this. Okay, we did some mistakes here. So I just added some flaws, two basic errors, and the following is the prompt. How do I fix the following Java code which prints two lines? Copy, right click and paste the code as well as the prompt. So these two are the errors. Let's see it will fix it or not. So a basic code. Okay, so it has fixed it. The system.out.println is now fixed. Okay, because these were the two flaws. So in this way guys, you can easily fix your code flaws. So now we have the same code and we want it in Python. So we have the same code now which we just fixed. Okay, we want this in Python. So directly mention, write the following code in Python. Copy, right click and paste. That's it. Submit. In this way we can easily convert a code from one language to another. So it has given the Python code implementation of the previous example. Here it is. Okay, it will print two lines. You can copy it from here. You can copy the code from here. You can also regenerate it from here, or you can also inform Krutrim that this is a good response or a bad response. So guys, we saw how we can use Krutrim to fix our codes, to generate codes as well as database queries. We also saw that how we can convert a code in one language to another language. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to generate tables with Krutrim. We can create tables with the columns and rows easily. Let's see how. So here is our Krutrim. We already logged in. Let us create a table. Create a table. Now I'll mention the number of rows and columns. Create a table with 3 columns and 5 rows. These are the column names. Let's see. So here it is. Also entered some random data. Okay, it has created a sample table. In this way guys, we can easily create tables with Krutrim. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to use Krutrim for marketing. Let's say you want to create survey questions, analysis and timeline, then you can easily ask Krutrim. Let's see how. So we already logged into Krutrim. Let us get some survey questions. We want to conduct a survey to understand customer preferences. Can you suggest some survey questions? Let's see. Here it is. Some great survey questions. If you can mention here how many you want, then it will customize it. But I guess this looks fine. You can copy it from here. If you want, you can also regenerate it from here. Or if you like the answer, click here. If you did not like it, you can also give your response to Krutrim. Now let us see the next example. Let's say you want to analyze your competitors' social media strategies. How can you do that? Let us generate some key points. Here are the points: content strategy, audience engagement, it's about social media, so obviously you would like to also see the partnerships and collaborations, response time, advertising strategies. This looks fine. So in this way, guys, we can easily use Krutrim for marketing. We can generate survey questions or get some strategies also. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to use Krutrim for shopping. So let's say you want some gift ideas, shopping ideas, you can easily use Krutrim for it. Let's see how. So here is our Krutrim. We already logged in and clicked on new chat. Now let us ask, let's say you want some gift ideas for people who love cricket. Submit. So here are the results, some gift ideas. Okay, cricket accessories, team gear, bats and ball. Okay, let's see another example. What are some good cameras for recording YouTube videos? Here are some suggestions. Okay guys, you can copy the suggestion, the answer from here. So guys, in this way we saw how we can easily get shopping ideas, gift ideas with Krutrim. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will learn how we can use Krutrim to plan a vacation. So let's say you want to visit a place and want to know more about the popular places to visit, then you can easily ask Krutrim. It can also let you know about some historical places, as well as it can generate a plan. Let's see how. So we already logged into Krutrim. Herein we will type create a, let's say, 2-day vacation plan for Delhi. Here it is. It is giving us according to days because we mentioned 2 days. On the second day, it is showing us historical and cultural tour of India. Okay, also the suggestions for food. Okay, Connaught Place, fine. Chandni Chowk Market, South Delhi, Lajpat Nagar Market, Khan Market. Okay, and also some more restaurant suggestions as well. You can copy it from here. If you want another suggestion, that means to regenerate the response, click here. If you liked the response, click here, or if you did not like it, you can select this button. Okay, now let us see some historical places. Give me some historical places to visit in Mumbai. Okay, here it is. Okay, Gateway of India, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. So you can copy it from here. In this way, guys, you can easily plan your visit, generate vacation plans using Krutrim. If you'll add the number of days also, and specific keywords like historical places, then the answer would be customized and the suggestions would be useful. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how we can easily generate recipes with Krutrim. Let's say you want a meal plan or a recipe of a specific food item, then you can easily use Krutrim for it. Let's see how. Here is our Krutrim. We already logged in using our Gmail ID. Now let us get some recipes. Okay, let's say we are going for an Indian dhokla. How to make dhokla? Here it is, the entire recipe. Okay, with the ingredients as well as the instructions. You can copy it from here. You can regenerate from here. If you like it, click here. If you did not like the response, click here. Now let us see another example. Okay, give me a recipe of dal makhani. Here it is, Indian dal makhani. Okay, and ingredients as well as the instructions are also visible. Okay, you can copy it from here. In this way, guys, we can easily use Krutrim to generate recipes. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to generate a workout plan with Krutrim. Let's say you need a list of exercises or a basic workout plan for yourself. Then you can easily use Krutrim. Let's see how. So here is our Krutrim. We already logged in. Okay. Let us type. Create a home workout routine with no equipment. That means a routine with no gym equipment. Okay, here it is. It is giving us some plans, workout plans without gym equipments. Okay, which is fine. Okay, here you can see. You can copy it from here. If you want, you can regenerate it from here. If you liked the answer, click here. If you did not like it, click here to dislike. Now let us see another example. Create a workout plan suitable for working professionals with busy schedules. Okay, here it is day wise. Okay, it has given us a workout plan for 5 days a week. Okay, according to days. Day 5 is the rest day and rest looks good. You can copy it from here. In this way, guys, you can easily use Krutrim to generate a workout plan. With that, you can get the plans according to days. Okay, with that, some suggestions also by Krutrim.